You work every day, right? Then stop working for free. What if I tell you that every single step you take pays you real money? Yes, in this video I'm going to show you this legit app that will literally pay you for every step you take. No investment, no experience, just your steps. This is the easiest side hustle of 2025. Stick around and let me show you. So the first thing you do is to go to your Google Play Store and type Lucky Stride. Lucky Stride, and then you click on it and then you install. Once the app is installed, then you click open. So this is how the app looks like. Don't rush to download. So this is it, and then you can either sign up using your Google Chrome or your Facebook, but as we all know, we're going to pick Google. So you click on Google, and then please, before you choose anything, make sure you use your PayPal email, your working PayPal email. So I will put in my working PayPal email now. If you don't have a working PayPal account, you need to open one, okay? So you're going to input the code you're seeing on the screen to get your first coins. As you can see, 20 coins. So you input the code 499 capital F capital J capital F. So once you finish inputting the code, you will click submit. So once you click submit, you will click this lucky gift here. Okay, so you will allow Lucky Stride to give you a notification and to access your steps. Okay, this one you're going to cancel. Okay, please grant Lucky Stride permission. Okay, so we're going to grant it permission. Allow. Okay, so after doing that, so this is the interface of the app. Okay, so now let's check it. This is the home tab and this is the trend. So once you click the trend, no record for the step. As you can see, this is a new account right now. This is not my personal account, this is a new account. Now for the bonus, you can actually complete surveys here, you can play games here to boost your earnings. Then this is invite friend. Okay, so friend registration, you will get 20 to 150 coins if your friend use your active code to register, and then you too, you get your own coin. So this is redeem. So you can see, one thing I love about this app is that you don't need to walk heaven and earth to withdraw on this app. Once you have 3,000 coins, you are eligible to withdraw, and 3,000 coins is equal to $5. 6,000 coins is equal to $10. 12,000 coin is equal to $20. So it is very, very easy. As far as you work every day, you go with your phone, it counts your step, and then you turn your step into real cash. For those of you that have smartwatch, this is a very, very lucrative side hustle you can engage in. All you need to do is to connect your smartwatch to your phone, or connect your smartwatch to the app, or using your smartwatch and download the app, install it on your smartwatch, and then you make use of it. If you need a working PayPal account you can use to receive and send money, then reach out to me on my WhatsApp and let's get you your working PayPal account. And if you are going to try this app, comment down below. I'm going to try this app. Do well to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that when interesting videos such as this comes up, because in this channel I'm going to release more of this app so you could maximize your earnings. So do well to like, subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.